Next, making our Chashu Meat. So we need two colors of the yarn. Again, we'll be using this 1.4 millimeter crochet hook. Start with a 4 chains. I don't skip a chain from the hook. This is the front part or the front chain. This is the back chain. As you can see, we have this, let's say, the backbone of this chain. We're going to make a single crochet on those backbone. So, single crochet on each of the backbone. So, 4 single crochet for a row number 1. 1, 2, okay, 3, and 4. See? And don't make a chain. So just turn your word and start making single crochet on each 4 stitches. We're not going to finish this one because we're gonna change color. So change color with a lighter shade. And doing that, make a slip knot over here and chain 1, pull it, make it tight, and pull the darker shade to make it tight. Make 4 half double crochet. And on the last or the 4th stitch, we have 4 half double crochet, then slip stitch on that same stitch and a chain 1 to secure. So we have our Chashu Meat. So we have our 2 Chashu Meats. So start with a magic circle plus chain 1 for the yoke. Use this 1.6 millimeter hook. Our first round, 6 single crochet on the magic circle. Slip stitch on the first single crochet stitch. Then you may cut the yarn. Then use your 1.4 millimeter crochet hook. Insert that to that first single crochet stitch. Let's just try to pull the yarn peel. Then make a slip knot to change the color. Chain 1, so 2 single crochet on that same stitch where you insert your hook and where you made your chain 1. Then on the next stitch, on the second stitch from the previous round, you make one single crochet and a half double crochet on that same second stitch we have. Then on the next stitch, the third stitch from the previous round, we need to make half double crochet and 2 double crochet. The next stitch, we need to make a 2 double crochet and half double crochet, basically the reverse of this side. On the next stitch, we need to make half double crochet and a single crochet. On our very last stitch, we need to make two single crochet. Slip stitch to that first. So we need to chain 5 and we're going to use these. Sorry, if you can see this 1.4 mm crochet hook. So start with 5 chain a knot. Start with a slip knot and a 5 chain. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same with the Chashu Meat, we're not going to skip the first hook or the first chain from the hook. We'll just get that backbone of our chain. So we have this one and 1 single crochet on each backbone. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And don't chain 1. Just turn your work and put this turn on your back. At the back. So for the row 2, skip the first stitch, 1 single crochet on the skip the first stitch and 1 single crochet on the next 2 stitches. So we have 1, 2 and 2 single crochet together, making these 2 stitches as one. Okay, and don't chain 1, just turn your work, skip the first stitch from the hook and just make 2 single crochet together, making them as one, and chain 1 to secure your stitch. And you just cut this, make a short tail. That's right. Okay, we have this tiny Nori in triangular shape.